Good morning, students. We have already done this chapter 7 fraction, but I will again repeat this chapter for you because it is solve your problem and it is easy for you. Okay? Now I will start. Are you know what is fraction? Fraction means a part of the whole. Fraction means a part of the whole. One of the two equal parts is called a half. A half is written as 1 by 2. Okay? When we will written half, we will written 1 by 2. Again, one of the three equal parts is called 1/3. When we will write 1/3, we will written as 1 by 3. Okay. Next, one of the fourth equal parts is called a 1/4. When we will written 1/4, we will written as 1 by 4. Now we will do the exercise 7a. Put a tick on figure which are divided into two equal parts. Put a tick on figures which are divided into two equal parts. Here have triangle, but both figures are not same because here is big space and here small, so it is not equal. Next, here have rectangle, but here both are not equal because the both space have not equal. Here have big space and here small, so it is not equal. But it is equal. Why? Because both parts have same space. Because both part have same space, so we will put here tick. So we will put here tick. Okay. Next, here have circle, here have both parts have same space, so it is equal. Okay. Same, here have both parts have same space, so it is equal. So we will put here tick. Here we will put here tick. Okay. But here both are not equal. Why? Because both parts have not same space. Here have big space and here small space, so it is not equal. Next, color the 1/2 part of each figure. Color the 1/2 part of each figure. Here have both have same space, but we will color one space. but we will color in one part. Okay, so we will color here. Okay, next here have four figure 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 figure, but we will color in one half. We will color in one half. Okay, so here we will color this part. Here we will color this part or this part. So we will color in one part. So we will color here. Here already divided in two part. Okay, next we will color have one part. Okay, we will color in one part. We will color in one part. Okay, same process. Here we will color. Here have four figure 1 2 3 4, and we will divide it in two part. So we will color in one part. So we will color in here. Okay, next here have two parts. We will color in one parts. So we will color in upper parts. Next you will see here have two parts. One parts this side and one part this side. So two parts. So we will color in one parts. So we will color in left side. Okay, next same process. We will color in one part. Here have already two part. Two part have divided. So we will color in one part. Okay, next here I have four figure. We will divide in two part, and we will color in one part. Okay, next here have six figure 1 2 3 4 5 6 figure, and we will divide here two part, three left side and three right side. So we will color in left side three box. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay. Okay. I hope all of you understood. Our next math is put a tick on figure which are divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, where we will put tick, there have 3 parts, 3 equal parts. There have 3 equal parts. So number 1 we will put tick, number 2 we will put tick, and number 6 we will put tick, because here have 3 equal part, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay. Next, color. Next, color 1/3 of each figure. Color color 1/3 of each figure. So here have 3 figure, 1 2 3, but we will color in one part, but we will color in one part. So color it. Number 1. Same process. Number 2. Here I have 3 figure, but we will color in one figure. Number 3. 1 2 3 figure, but we will color in one part. Next, number 4. Same process. Here have 3 part, but we will 3 figure, but we will color in one figure. Next, here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 box, but we will hold here 3 box, this row and this row. Okay, so we will color in one part. Okay. Next, here have 3 box, 1 2 3 box, but we will color in one box. Okay, next, color 1/4 of each figure. Color 1/4 of each figure. Here have 4 box, 1 2 3 4, but we will color in one box. Okay, next, here have 1 2 3 4, 4 box, but we will color in one box. Again, here have 1 2 3 4, 4 box, but we will color in one box. Same process, we will color one box. Next, here have 1 2 3 4, 4 box, and we will color in one box. Okay, next, here I have 1 2 3 4, 4 box, but we will color in one. We will color in 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4. Okay, 1/4. So we will color in 1/4. Here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 box. Here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 box. 8 box, but we will here hold in 4 box. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we will color in 1/4. So we will color this 1/4. Okay, next, here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 box, but we will not hold in this box. We will hold it only 4 box. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 box. So we will color in 1/4 box. We will not hold in this line. We will not hold this line. Okay, we will hold only box. We will hold only box. 1 2 3 4, 4 box. Okay, so we will color in one box. So we will color in one box. Okay, we will not hold this line. We will not hold this line. Okay, same process again. We will not hold this line, cross this line, not hold. We will hold only 4 box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 box. Now we will color one box. Okay, now we will color in one box. I hope all of you understood. This video clear your confusion. Okay, bye children. Have a nice day.